As children, welcome to Vian School, Chapter 3, Transport. In this chapter, what and all you are going to study means land transport, water transport, air transport. Okay, children, what and all you are going to study, children? Water transport, land transport, and air transport. Three types of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Okay. How do you go from your study room to the kitchen in your house? How you will go, children? By bicycle you will go, from bus you will go, or from legs you will go, from your legs. Okay. How do you go? How do you go to school? How do you will go to school, children? Because it will be nearby your home. No, you will go by bicycle. Yes or no, children? Okay. How do you go to place far away? How will you go, children? You will go by bus. In the olden days, people used to walk to travel from one place to another. In olden days, what people were doing, children? They used to walk to travel from one place to another. So, later what happened? Later they used animals for traveling. Later what they did? They used animal for traveling. Like horse and all, they used to use for traveling. Okay, children. After the invention of wheel, they started making carts. These carts were pulled by animals. This made traveling easier. Even today in villages, people use animals, cars as means of transport. Okay, children. So after the invention of wheels, they started making cars. These carts were pulled by animals. So these carts were pulled by animals, children. This made traveling easier. This made traveling very easier. Even today in villages, people use animals, carts as a means of transport. In villages, if you have seen, means today also animals are used as a cart, used animals cart as a means of transport. In the desert, camel is the only means of transport. In the desert, camel is the only means of transport. See, children. So camel you have seen. In camel, where you will see the camels, children? In desert. Yes or no? So camel is called, it is called the ship of the desert. So only camel is called the ship of the desert. Okay. So in hilly areas, people use ponies and mules for carrying people and goods. In forest, elephants carry logs of wood. In hilly areas, small mountains will be, no, children, that is hilly areas, people use ponies and mules, okay, for carrying people and goods. In forest, elephant carry logs of woods. So have you seen the ponies and mules? See, children, this is pony, this is mules. Okay. So in forest, elephants you have seen. What's the elephant is doing, children? It's carry logs of wood. In snow-covered mountains, reindeer and dogs pull sledges. See, children, this is sledge. Okay, it is pulled by reindeer and dogs. Okay.